Today, I would like to teach you about how to work on PowerPoint. Okay, for this, what you will do, you have to start a PowerPoint. So, type PowerPoint, okay, in the search box and open it. Fine. Now, next, you can see here, this is the platform of Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so in this, what you have to do, you have to start from the beginning. For this, what you will do, you have to click on file tab, okay, and go to the new, then you just choose the blank presentation here. Okay, now click on create. Okay, so now it will again open the same interface of platform, but it having a different name, that is presentation 2. Fine. Okay, students, one of the most important thing that I want to tell you, that is there are so many kinds of versions of Microsoft Office. Okay, so it depend on the version to version, we have the different interface, so you don't have to be worried about that. Okay, so this is right now Microsoft 2010, and one day before yesterday I already show that was Microsoft Office 365. Okay, that was the latest version and it was the oldest version. Okay, fine. So right now what we have to do, I will tell you what is a slide and how we can add a new slide in our presentation. So students, as usual, just like a page in your book or copy, we have a page. The collection of pages will make a copy or a book. Collection of pages will make a book. Same, a collection of slides make a presentation. Okay, so this white box is known as slide. Okay, this white box is known as slide. So you can insert many slides in the presentation. For this, what you will do, you just click on this new slide. Okay, under the home tab, you have a new slide option. Just click on this. Now by clicking on this, you can get a new slide. Okay, fine. One of the most important thing, that is there are many more options. By using that, you can add a slide. So just right click on the blank area and see, there are so many options. Okay, so you can also change the layout. Even if you want to add a new slide, what you will do, you just right click on it and there is an option of new slide. So you can insert a new slide from here also, or you can insert a new slide from here also. Fine. Now next is, if suppose you want to change the layout of your slide, so what you will do, you just right click on it and reset go to the layout and change the layout of your slide. There are so many layouts, you can change it by clicking on that. So I want this slide in my, I want this layout in my slide, so I have chosen that. Fine. If suppose you want to change the slide layout of this slide, for this what you will do, just right click on it and go to the layout option. Now choose your desired layout. Like this I want in my slide, so I have chosen this. So there is one question, why we are choosing the layout. We are choosing the layout to add different items according to our need. Okay, now the next point is how to insert a desired content in our slide. For this what you will do, you just click on that. Okay, click on the box and write down your topic. So my topic is PowerPoint, so I have written PowerPoint here. Fine. Now you just do one more thing, that if you want to change the color and design of your PowerPoint, what you will do, again you just click on that same place and select it and change the size, color, design, whatever you want you can do. Okay, same. Okay, If suppose you want to insert a picture in your PowerPoint presentation, or if you want to insert a clip art in your slide, what you will do, you just select a slide in which you want to add a picture or a clip art and go to insert tab. There is an option of picture, clip art, screenshot, photo album. You can choose any one thing. Like I want to add one clip art. So for this, what I can do, I just click on clip art. There is no clip art. If you want to add a picture, what you will do, you just click on the picture and choose the picture from your computer. So in my computer, I have many more pictures. I just choose one picture in my presentation, so I would like to add this picture. Okay, now I have chosen this, and you can see here the picture is added successfully in my slide. Fine. So this is how you can add picture. Same, there is a process of a clip art. You can also add a clip art by choosing this. Okay, so here is the option of a clip art. Once if I choose and click on this, this will show you the some message. Okay, so there is some problem, that's why it is not added or showing the clip art option, but you can edit or you can try this in your home on your computer. Fine. Okay, one, there's one more, we can do one more thing, that is we can also delete a slide. If suppose I want, if suppose I don't like this slide, what will I do, I just press the delete button from my keyboard. You can see that slide is deleted. If suppose I want to delete this slide, for this what can I do, I just right click on this and see there is a option of delete slide. Just click on this. Now by doing this, the slide will be deleted. So this is all about today's section. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.